Welcome to the TechHub.Training Excel Xlookup Challenge solution. First, I'll open the solution file. Note that I'm working off of a sheet called Solution, not Portfolio, but it contains the exact same information. The first part of this challenge was to use an Xlookup to bring in the company name based on a given ticker. That function is given here. We used Xlookup to look up the ticker from the company names sheet, specifically column A, and then to return from the company names sheet column B. And then in cases where we didn't have a ticker, where there wasn't a ticker in the company names sheet, the function simply returns company name unavailable. And just to double check that this is all working correctly, our company names sheet has tickers in column A, company names in column B, and our first ticker in the solution is ABC, and this is the correct company name, as shown here. For part 2 of the challenge, you were asked to bring in the purchase price for a specific ticker on a specific day. My first step in doing this was to create a unique identifier on the 5-year stock price data sheet. I did this by using the concat function to combine the ticker, shown here, a space, a dash, and a space, and the date. The date isn't formatted here as a date. Just know that it still is a unique identifier because each ticker only has data for one date. But going back to the solution file, this Xlookup function is looking up this concatenation, the ticker, a space, a dash, and a space, and the desired purchase date. It's looking for that in the 5-year stock price data, column H, which is where I created the unique identifier. And then it returns from the 5-year stock price data sheet from column B, which is the opening price according to the instructions. Note this 1 at the end of the function, which is in the match mode criteria. What that 1 does is it returns the exact match or the next largest item in the list. So, for example, whenever we desire to purchase on a date where the market is closed, putting the 1 in this part of the function would return the price for the next day that the market was open. So that was essential to doing this challenge correctly. The third part of the challenge is very similar to the second part. The main changes are that instead of looking for the desired purchase date in this concatenation, we concatenated the desired sale date. We still look that up in column H of the 5-year stock price data sheet. And then we return from column E, which is the close date price. The closing price on that date. And that's the solution for the TechHub.Training Excel Xlookup challenge.